boy. That's not sounding good. I think we have a flat. Shut up! So welcome to How to Make That, and I'm Dane, and today I will be teaching you how to fix a flat tire on your 2004 Volkswagen Passat that is a light dark gray color. So the first thing you want to do is get your spare tire. Did you pop the trunk? Are you smoking?
What? It's fucking stressful working for you.
You're the... God!
All right, you know what? It's gone. It's gone. Consider it gone.
It's like working with a monkey. Did you pop the trunk? Some assistant you are. So you lift up the trunk, and now you have to find your tire iron. Found the tire iron. How do things like this happen? There we go. I'm as free as a donut. I can't get the tire off. There's a thing. It's a protective sheath. Well, let's just go get the donut out of the trunk, I guess. Put this over here. Most donuts, which is the technical term, are located underneath the carpet of your trunk. So that's a script. This is a thing. Some more things. Some pens. All right. So we're gonna take this down to the front there. Oh, no! Can't get the fucking tire off. I do have a tire iron though, but it's not really helpful, is it? Because you need a screwdriver or some. I don't know. It's one of those specialty tools. You know, it doesn't make any sense because this is America. I don't want to use the metric system or the Queen's measurements or the King's foot measurement. That. So I guess the plan is sort of to just drive with a flat. Look at that. I'm gonna. I'm Dane, and this has been How to Change Your Tire. Well, that didn't go as planned. I'm off!